In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and set up the eBay app on your Android device. Whether you're an avid online shopper or a seller looking to reach more people, the eBay app makes it incredibly convenient for you to manage your transactions anywhere, anytime. Follow along as I guide you through this simple process. Let's get started by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can usually find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, so go ahead and tap on it. Once the app opens, you'll see a search bar at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to finding any app you need, including eBay. So tap on the search bar and type in eBay. As you type, you'll likely see eBay appear in the list of suggestions below. You can simply tap on it to make the process quicker. Now, once you are on the eBay app page, take a moment to scroll down and check the ratings and reviews if you'd like. Although eBay is a well-established platform trusted by millions, when you're ready, just hit the install button. The app will start downloading, and this might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Make sure you've got Wi-Fi or a good data signal to ensure a smooth download. Once the download is complete, the install button will transform, inviting you to open the app. Tap on Open to dive into your eBay experience. If you're new to eBay, this is where you'll set up your account. And if you're already familiar with it, you'll just need to log in. For newcomers, the app will guide you through creating an account. It's fairly straightforward. Just follow the prompts and make sure you have access to your email or phone for verification. Once logged in, you'll immediately see how intuitive and user-friendly the app is, offering a seamless browsing and shopping experience. Now, if you already have an eBay account, logging in should be a breeze. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be right back in action. The app's interface is designed with simplicity in mind, so whether you're shopping for something specific or just browsing, you'll find navigating the app is easy and convenient. And there you have it, a simple guide to downloading and setting up the eBay app on your Android device. With the app installed, you can explore a world of products and even manage your own sales on the go. Happy shopping!